Tricount versus Splitwise, app comparison. So let's compare these two apps based on few criteria. So which is best? All right, if you look at Tricount in terms of ease of use, Tricount is pretty simple. It's ideal for one-off trips. It doesn't really require much to set up other than just login, and that too it's optional. Whereas Splitwise has a little bit of more settings setup required, and you need to create an account in order to use this. And apart from that, both of them are pretty much easy to use, with Tricount much ideal for on-off trips. Apart from that, Tricount is pretty simplicity. It wins for its simplicity, and whereas Splitwise is best for its flexibility. And in terms of expense tracking, so in terms of expense tracking, I can say Tricount focuses on group expenses, so it allows users to add participants without requiring them to sign up. So just link sharing, it works. They don't need to sign up, and then balances are recalculated automatically when expenses are added. So it does everything automatically. Whereas Splitwise manages both group and individual expenses, but it requires your participants, so your friends, to sign up to view and edit the expenses. And it offers recurring expenses and detailed group summaries, which is pretty beneficial for like recurring payments and transactions. And apart from that, in terms of features, Tricount. So Tricount works offline, so you don't need to be online to use it. So because when you're back online, it will then automatically sync, so that's fine. And it has limited customization for splits. Example, you cannot split expenses by percentage. Whereas Splitwise is more flexible. So if you go to Splitwise offers advanced options for splitting unequally, like based on shares or percentage, so you can do that. And it also allows recurring expenses like monthly rent or room sharing, those type of things. And also it can integrate your PayPal or other Venmo or other payments, for you can set it up for payments. All right, so Splitwise is best for like complex or long-term scenarios, like I would say that. And apart from that, cost wise, if you see both these apps, so Tricount is like free to use with ads, so it's you can use it free without with ads. But if you want without ads, then you have an in-app purchases for additional features. And also the Splitwise, on the other hand, it's free version. The free version is feature rich, but the pro version, you got to pay for it for like extra features like receipt scanning, currency conversion, all the other things, right? And as I mentioned earlier, so during offline usage, you can use both apps. You can use for in offline, but Tricount, like, it's fully functional offline compared to Splitwise. And I would say your Tricount is best for one-time events like trips or group dinners, because you can simply split where participants don't need to interact with the app. Whereas in Splitwise, it's best for long-term arrangements of like family budgets and roommates, where scenarios where you have uneven splits or recurring expenses. So what in summary, what I would say, that both these apps are excellent for managing shared expenses, but I would say Tricount is best for its simplicity and casual use, whereas Splitwise is best for its advanced features and ongoing financial managements, which makes it best for like a long-term use, or for like rents and roommate sharing, on all those types of uses. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.